Hi, I'm Healing Means. Welcome to my channel and welcome to a Backyard Shenanigans unboxing video. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the second of 3 Backyard Shenanigans unboxing videos where I show you things that I have purchased for the 2025 Backyard Shenanigans garden. Now, if you haven't checked out the first video, which was a 2025 seed haul from MI Gardener, make sure you check that out. That was the first video. This second video is items that I purchased from IV Organics. Before we get into that, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. Click that notifications bell. Make sure it is set to all. Like, comment, and share with everyone you know now. Let's see what I got from IV Organics. This, ladies and gentlemen, is the box from IV Organics. And I purchased this, I believe, earlier this month. We're still in December. We still got 2 more days of December. I either purchased this at the very end of November or the beginning of December. And this is IV Organics, and they, I'm not gonna say specialized, but they have products to help you protect your trees. I do have several fruit trees. Most of them are in pots, but some of them are in the ground. IV Organics has products that help to protect them from sun scald, pest pressure, disease, all of that kind of stuff. And I was noticing a few things on my fruit trees, and I was like, you know what, let me see what IV Organics is talking about. I've been to their website for a long time, putting stuff in and out the cart, y'all, but I never clicked the button. But they had a sale, and y'all know that sale got me. So I purchased products that I was gonna get anyway, but on sale. Now, y'all, I gotta see how I'm gonna open this box. I see tape and all that stuff along the sides. So let me get my handy dandy package opener. Let me get through some of this. I don't want y'all to hear all of the scrumbling and the rumbling and the wrangling and the dangling. So let me try to get this box open, and then I'll be back. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is what the box looks like when I first opened it, and I ordered the Yellow Label Holiday Deluxe gift box, and I ordered this on November 29th. Y'all, I've been had these things, so like the MI Gardener, that order, this order, and then the order I'm gonna do in the third video, I've had these products for a while, so it was no issue with long shipping times. It was nothing like that. It wasn't like that at all. So let's see. The first thing we have an IV Organic ink pen. Thank you. I think that's pretty cool. And then you have a little pamphlet, probably just to tell you about the business and to tell you about the various products that they have. I didn't order everything that was in here, but I did get I got the 3-in-1 plant guard, which is the yellow can. There's also a whitewash can. So the 3-in-1 plant guard has essential oils, and then I think the whitewash or the other canned product is the same thing but no essential oils. And then they also have like a spray bottle of the product. I have that. And then there's 2 types of fertilizer, and I'll see which one that I got in the gift box. So we have these 2 things. Then we have something in this envelope. Let's see what this is. Oh, that's right. It came with a book. So, Saving the World with the Home Garden. So this book came with the gift set, and I'm definitely going to go through that. This is by Charles J. Malky, the founder of IV Organic. So and I like, ooh, and pictures and stuff too. Nice large print. I like that. So yep, that's the book. Then we have 2 packages. So this is the all-purpose 333 organic fertilizer. It has azomite in it. It's for fruit trees, vegetables, ornamentals, roses, and flowers. You get macronutrients, that's the NPK. You get calcium, magnesium, and sulfur, which are secondary nutrients. Let's see, it says it has trace minerals. It feeds soil and foliar, so you can use this on the leaves as well as amending the soil. And then here it just gives you the makeup of the product, and it says it makes 20 plus gallons. So you apparently mix this with water and then use this to fertilize your garden. 2 packs of the fertilizer. And then I have, this is the spray bottle version of the 3-in-1 plant guard. It says ready to use spray, protection against damaging sunburn, insects, and rodents. Used on roses, fruit and nut trees, ornamental trees, and shrubs. For use in organic production, healthier than latex paint and tar-based products. And that's another reason why I got it. Just because it's organic, it's made to spray on the leaves and the soil. Protect against newly installed plants and trees that are especially susceptible to excess sunlight and damage caused by insects. Coat all exposed leaves, branches, and trunk to prevent sun stress and sunburn, especially at times of extreme heat. Apply up to 3 times per year. I'm definitely going to use this, and I plan on treating all of my fruit trees. Between this spray, like for the leaves, and then the last thing I have are the 2 cans. And this, I believe it's a powder. It's a powder in here. And then you mix this with water. I know the directions and stuff are on here, but you mix this, I believe, with water to make like a paste. And then you literally paint your trees and plants, and that's what I'm gonna do. It says, oh, add powder and oil vial contents to can. Fill the can near the top with water. Stir well. Add more water if necessary to have a full can of product. Stir every 5 to 10 minutes while using the product to ensure uniformity of contents while applying product to the tree trunk and branches. Apply with a paintbrush. Content should cover approximately a dozen young tree trunks with a single coat. Properly prepared product should have the consistency of a 50% diluted paint. So I am going to mix this, and I'm gonna make it not thick but not watery either. I want it to not be watery, dripping thin, but not, let me see, maybe like a thin honey. I want it to stick to the tree trunk and the branches, y'all, because I'm painting my fruit trees like everything. All of the branches and the stems and the trunk are gonna be painted, and then the leaves and everything else are gonna be sprayed. So that's my intention for these products. Let me see if I have anything else in there. Nope. All right, so this is the box. Let me put this to the side, and again, let me just show you the products. So it's 2 cans of the Ivy Organic 3-in-1 Plant Guard, protection against damaging sunburn, insects, and rodents. The ingredients in here are castor oil, cinnamon oil, clove oil, garlic oil, peppermint oil, rosemary oil, and spearmint oil. It also has iron oxide, limestone mica, milk, silica, methylcellulose, diatomaceous earth for anti-caking and oil absorbent. So I have 2 cans of that, and I will definitely be using these sooner rather than later. I have to get to my fruit trees and my stone fruit trees while they are still dormant. My citrus fruit don't lose their leaves, so I'm just gonna do them now also, the same time that I do all the rest of the trees. I have the spray, and this is a 23-ounce bottle, and it is like the already diluted form of the can formula. This is going to be a thicker paste like, so I can paint it on, and this is liquid that I'm going to use to spray on the trees. I have 2 packs of the all-purpose fertilizer, and this is mixed with water. It says it makes 20+ gallons of solution. I'm going to be using this at, you know, some point throughout the season. And then of course we have the book Saving the World by Charles J. Mackey, the founder of IV Organic. I'm going to be reading this. And then of course the ink pen, y'all. We can't forget the ink pen now. Everything counts. I do not have previous experience with IV Organic, but I know people who have used the products. They say that they like them, they like the results, they like the products, and so I decided to give them a try because I did have, to me, a moderate to a significant amount of pest pressure on my citrus fruit. And y'all know I have 2 lemon trees, 2 orange trees, a grapefruit, a peach, and a nectar plum, and I want to cover all of those fruits. And did I say my 2 cherry trees? And then I want to cover everything, y'all. I'm not taking no chances with these bugs. Right now, as it stands, this is another mild winter. Y'all know, if the colder it gets in the winter, the better it is at being able to mitigate pest pressure. Because if it gets too cold, you know, like the larvae, the eggs, all that kind of stuff, some of them don't survive the colder it gets. So we want it to be cold in the winter. It's never really cold here in the winter, but even right now it is a lot warmer, or it's very warm. So I don't want to take any chances. For 2024, I've had significant issues with aphids. First time for spider mites, leaf miners, and I noticed those when I got my citrus trees. And just a couple other, you know, like little bugs and pests and stuff. But the aphids and the spider mites, which was brand new for me. The aphids, this is like my 2nd year with the aphids. And then the other bugs and the pests, I don't know, I haven't really been tracking with those. I'll say the leaf miners, the 1st year with the leaf miners. And I just want to use something natural, something organic, just to help me with those. I still plan on using that other DIY formula for the spider mites and the aphids. Y'all check out those videos so you can see where I got that the recipe from and how I made it and everything. It's basically Castile soap with essential oils and water, I think. Maybe one other ingredient. Hydrogen peroxide. It's products that you have at home or you can find over the counter in a drugstore. It's not anything fancy. It's not any kind of harsh chemicals. I mean, Castile soap, hydrogen peroxide, essential oils, and water. That's, I mean, you know, I use those on a regular basis, so it's not any kind of, you know, drastic chemical where I have to mask up and, you know, put gloves on to protect my skin. It's not like that at all. So that's why I'm gonna also continue to use that DIY recipe in my garden. I'm not taking this out the plastic, y'all, but the IV Organic spray, this is the 3-in-1 plant guard. This is the can that you mix. It's a powder, oil, and then you add water to make a complete can and paint it on your trees and shrubs or whatever. And then this fertilizer, which I plan on using, even though of course I already have fertilizer. I like this because it's organic, 333 NPK, plus it has the calcium, the magnesium, and the sulfur in it, so I like that. And then it has a little bit of iron in it as well. I'm just reading on the back of here. So just a quick unboxing video on the products that I ordered from Ivy Organic. And again, this was the Yellow Label Holiday Deluxe Gift Box. I ordered this November the 29th. I'm sure the sale is over, but I'm also sure that they'll have more sales if something is not on sale right now. I haven't checked the website since I made this purchase, and what I have now should last me for the whole 2025. If it doesn't, I'll wait for another sale and then purchase more. I'm definitely gonna let you know what I think about these products after I use them. But if you have already used Ivy Organics, please put down in the comment section, let me know what products have you used, how did you mix them, how did you use them, what were the results. Let me know. Ladies and gentlemen, that's all I have for this video. Please remember to subscribe to my channel, click that notifications bell, make sure it is set to all. Like, comment, and share with everyone you know. And until next time, be safe, be well, and be blessed.